Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use an Adidas gift card online. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser. Whether you're on a computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, the steps will be similar. Navigate to the Adidas website and land on their homepage. Once on the homepage, choose the product you want to purchase. Select your size and add it to your bag. Click on View Bag to proceed. In your bag, click on Checkout. Enter your details and click Next. Select your delivery option, such as Standard Delivery. You'll be redirected to the Payment tab. Here, select Adidas Gift Card. Enter your Adidas gift card number and PIN. Click on Apply Gift Card. That's it. You've successfully used your Adidas gift card online to make a purchase. If you found this video helpful, thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Peace.